All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package with only 79,000 miles and only 497 idle hours. Original silver metallic from factory. This was a detective vehicle for the City of Buena Park, California. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, as I already have done it all for you folks, and you are gonna want to stay tuned with this one. I hope I can cover everything within my 12 minutes that I get from my little camera here, folks. Let me stop right here. Once again, folks, vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, super clean, very sharp, and in near perfect condition, folks. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint, medium shade all around to replace the old film that the vehicle came with. Vehicle doesn't have any holes on the body whatsoever, folks. I do have to tell you that I did have the front bumper cover reconditioned, repainted, and the rear bumper cover due to scratches and scuff marks. Vehicle has been registered. I do have a clean, clear title on this one. Title and smog on hand. Buyer takes all. Once again, folks, front and rear bumper have been reconditioned due to scratches and scuff marks. So the whole vehicle, once I'm done with her, looks new all around. All around and inside and out. Vehicle does have a semi-new set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs. They do appear to be in new condition. Those are going to be the 235/55 17s. What you see is what you're going to get, folks. Vehicle never had any spotlights installed. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. This was a detective unit for the City of Buena Park, California. Folks, I should have said this earlier in the beginning, but vehicle does have working emergency equipment. Wig wipes, strobes, red, blue, siren, PA system, air horn. Vehicle does have working emergency equipment, just so you know. Folks, let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a brand new set of OEM side markers, OEM headlamps, and a new OEM front chrome grille. I gave the car a whole facelift, folks. Even the light bulbs are new. The headlight bulbs are going to be the Sylvania Silver Star, so nice and bright when you're driving at night. Not yellow, it looks white. Folks, the paint on this vehicle looks very sharp, very well taken care of. I couldn't see any visible scratches or door dings. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle did an amazing job taking care of her. Let's go inside. Folks, I do have a lot of ground to cover, so if I do forget to mention something here on the video, it's going to be noted in my eBay description. Let's go inside, folks. As you can see, I do have a near perfect interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpeted floors with 3 floor mats, OEM floor mats. I'm missing the passenger side. I do apologize. That's how the vehicle came. All 4 door panels are in perfect condition. This is going to be a Zebra 5 rear axle. Electric seats for the front. Driver's side seat, nice and comfortable shape. Vehicle does have an aftermarket, new aftermarket center console. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. Folks, vehicle does have 7 keys. That's a little bit more than I'm used to, but yes, you do have 7 keys, basic regular keys with this one. Cruise control does work. Honk does work, folks. Let's go inside real quick. One little tear over there where the heel pad usually sits from your boot or your shoe. The carpet covers it. I do have another little hole right here You guys can see that. That's probably where the siren box or speaker was mounted, so they usually cut it and put the speaker right there. So you guys can see, let me clean this up here for you guys. The vehicle does have a, I think this is the Federal Signal siren module. What you see is what you're gonna get. Let's go ahead and fire her up. I'm trying to keep my boots off the carpet because I don't want to dirty it. All pressure lights are up. 79,000 miles. Let's round that up to 80 just in case. 497 actual idle hours, folks. Stereo does work. Stereo does work, but I did notice that at night it does not light up, but you can hear everything. Everything does work on this one, just it doesn't light up at night for some reason. Maybe the bulb is out. Super cold air conditioner. That's gonna be a Enforce Federal, is that sound off light? That's what the car has, folks. We're gonna turn that up in a minute. The functionality have been divided between PA, main, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you that in a minute. Sorry. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. There, everything has been split, so you can control whatever you want to work with right there. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Let's go to the trunk real quick, folks. I'm gonna move a little bit quick so that I can try to cover as much ground as I can for you. All right, this is the trunk. Vehicle does have a full-size matching spare tire, hold down pan, floor jack to the right, Kevlar, trunk Kevlar in place, fire extinguisher in place. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Once again, whatever officer was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it. Before I forget, folks, vehicle does have brand new KYB severe duty rear shocks, brand new front KYB severe duty struts, front struts, brand new OEM brake rotors and brakes on the front. Rear brakes were about 65-70%, so I went ahead and left those alone. LED strobes in place. All right. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was service clean out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft panels, spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service. Fluid and filter was done. Transmission was also serviced, folks, and I did go with Motorcraft 5, Mercon 5. Motorcraft fluid and filter kit was done on this one. I'm sorry I'm getting stuck there. Super cold air conditioner. I also have a brand new Gates dry belt pulley and tensioner. Okay, let me clean this up here for you guys. I'm sorry. Brand new Gates pulley tensioner by Gates. The vehicle also does come with the fail-safe blue silicone hoses. That is a factory feature right there. Very nice feature to have. I've also got in between the radiator and the condenser and did a summer campaign, so I washed it through really good, and I removed all the dust and dust bunny that was in there in between, keeping the vehicle from breathing right. This is something that I do to all my vehicles regardless of. I like to get in between them and clean everything out for you guys, just a habit. I do that at work all the time, so I'm doing it to all my cars all the time. Am I forgetting anything else here? Oh, the vehicle also does have 2 brand new lift supports for the hood, 2 new all-weather wiper blades. The battery on this one, it is used, but I'm thinking about replacing it, folks. Okay, I tested it out. It's nice and healthy. It's charging everything. The charging system is working fine, but I'm thinking of replacing the battery. Not sure how long this one had been here. It's a Napa battery, but you're gonna get a new one from it was an Interstate battery from Costco. Buyer takes all. Am I forgetting anything else? I don't think so. Front brakes, rotors are new. Shocks and struts are new all around by KYB Severe Duty. Lighting, housings, everything's good. Everything's new. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something here? Come on, Mario. Sorry, folks, I do have a micro memory right now. I forgot. If I'm trying to remember if I have anything else or any little details that I left out. I don't think so. All right, let's continue. Position number 1 is going to be a Wailing red and blue in the back. You guys can see that. Strobes. There you guys go. Position number 2. It's gonna light up the whole car. I got a steady burn red, flashing blue. Wing wax and strobes do work. The camera does not do the justice. The sun is going down. Sorry guys, I was trying to focus on the bar, but I guess I can't. Let me go back over here. I apologize, folks. I'm losing light. I'm losing my mind here. Number 3 will activate, if we turn this off, number 3 will activate all the lights and the siren will come on with the light, and then you hit tone and you turn it off. Okay, and then you turn it off. Whatever you want to do. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. The clock is ticking. I gotta go. Once again, this is gonna be a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Steer Appearance Package from the City of Buena Park, California. Come on. There you go. Folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. God bless and take care. Thanks for watching.